Sound-alike businesses can really cost you. One example, say you have car registration or driver's license issues. Hal emails, went online to renew my driver's license, found Arizona driver's license, filled out form, gave them my credit card number, message popped up, congratulations, your license Easy Guide purchase was successful. What? An Easy Guide? It promises information that can save you time and better prepare you for driver's license related services. It will help you gather the required documents. Hal's response, I don't want their guidebook, I want to renew my license. Turns out Hal clicked on drivers/license.org, like dmv.org and usportal.org/DMV. It's a sound-alike business found in online searches. And they could be very legitimate businesses, but that's not what Hal wanted. If you're new to Arizona, it's not DMV like where I came from. It's MVD, Motor Vehicles Division. And more confusing for some, online it's servicearizona.com. Hal did a smart thing. He called the bank and got his money back. You do have credit card protections, especially when it comes to billing errors. Go to abc15.com, click on sections, and then let Joe know. I've got links right there. Join us Thursday, October 20th from 5 to 8 p.m. as we take Let Joe Know on the road to the Tempe Marketplace. Talk one-on-one with attorneys and experts in landlord-tenant, health insurance, HOAs, child support, cars, scams, and more. Thursday, October 20th, 5 to 8 p.m. at the Tempe Marketplace District Stage. See you there.